Hey there, it's Thomas. I hope you're doing well today. Today I want to talk about something that a lot of people struggle with but don't usually discuss: masturbation. It's a topic that often carries a lot of stigma and shame, but it doesn't have to be that way. If you've found that it's becoming a problem in your life, stick around because I've got 6 practical tips to help you regain control. Number 1, avoid pornography. This is often the first step in breaking the cycle. It's super easy to access these days, but if you can put a barrier between you and porn, it can make a huge difference. You might be surprised at how much this simple step can help. Use filters on your devices to block pornographic content. There are many apps and software options available that can help you with this. Trust me, taking that extra step to unblock those sites gives you a moment to reconsider and regain control over your urges. Second, stay active. Physical and mental engagement can be a powerful deterrent. Keeping yourself occupied with hobbies or new skills can fill the time you might spend masturbating. This can be anything from playing a musical instrument to painting or even gardening. Try picking up a musical instrument, learning a new sport, or setting new personal goals. The key is to find something that genuinely interests you and keeps your mind engaged. Find out when your urges are strongest and plan activities for those times. Being proactive can make a big difference. Third, don't hesitate to seek professional help if you need it. Sometimes talking to someone who understands can provide new insights and strategies. Masturbation can sometimes be a symptom of underlying issues like OCD or anxiety. Addressing these root causes can be crucial. A mental health professional who specializes in human sexuality can be invaluable. They can offer tailored advice and support. They can help you work through any negative feelings and teach you behavior modification strategies. These strategies can be life-changing. Fourth, spend more time with others. Social interaction can be a great way to distract yourself and feel more connected. Loneliness can be a big trigger for masturbation. When you're alone, it's easier to fall into old habits. Try to be around people more often. Whether it's family, friends, or even co-workers, socializing can help. Catch up with friends, join a class, or hit the gym. These activities not only keep you busy, but also improve your overall well-being. Being socially engaged can redirect your focus and keep you occupied. Number 5, exercise. Physical activity is a fantastic way to channel your energy. Physical activity like running, swimming, or lifting weights not only strengthens your body, but also releases endorphins that improve your mood. These natural chemicals can help you feel happier and more relaxed. Feeling happier and more relaxed can naturally reduce the frequency of your urges. Plus, exercise can be a great way to meet new people and build a supportive community. Lastly, find a support group. Sharing your experiences with others who understand can be incredibly validating. Sometimes compulsive masturbation can stem from deeper issues like untreated mental health conditions or cultural conflicts. Addressing these in a group setting can provide new perspectives. A support group provides a space to express your concerns and develop positive coping strategies. The sense of community can be a powerful motivator. Feeling validated by others can help reduce feelings of guilt or shame. Knowing you're not alone can make a big difference. Remember, masturbation itself isn't harmful, but if it's becoming compulsive, these strategies can help you take back control. It's all about finding balance and making choices that support your well-being. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you found this helpful. See you next time. Take care and stay strong.